Hello everyone, we are diploma students under Computer and Mathematical Sciences program from UIT and will be presenting on our case study, Monthly Groceries Expenses for Linear Algebra MAT263. Introducing our group members, Irdina, Huda, Azlinda, Soleha and me, Aina, from group F4CS 1434B.
Introduction. Linear equation is an equation that represents the problems with variable unknown and solved by using some linear algebra methods. Linear equations are usually used to find the value of unknowns. In our case study, we need to determine the amount of money spent to buy 3 common items such as chicken, mackerel, and meat in 1 month. Based on the problem, we should find the price of each common item by writing down the linear equation and apply appropriate linear algebra method to solve the problem. Besides, we want to find how much meat that one city can donate with 20 kg of chicken and 20 kg of mackerel, of which the budget for these 3 items is 1,000 ringgit Malaysia.
The purpose of study are to apply linear algebra in real life, to represent the statement using augmented matrix before solve it using Cramer rules, to solve the problem using Cramer rules, find the price value of each item that one city bought, and to calculate the limit item that one city can donate. Problem statement. Every month, one city will go to the market and buy some groceries. During the shopping time, there are 3 common items that one city will purchase, which are chicken, mackerel, and meat. For the first month, one city bought 1 kg of chicken, 3 kg of mackerel, and 2 kg of meat. The total cost that one city should pay for that month is 96 ringgit. Next month, one city has decided to buy 2 kg of chicken, 2 kg of mackerel and 1 kg of meat. The total cost that one city pays for all of the items is 66 ringgit. Since Hari Raya is approaching, one city decided to go to the market and buy some groceries to make preparation for Hari Raya meals for her family and guests. One city bought 4 kg of chicken and 4 kg of meat to make some rendang and 5 kg of mackerel to make some laksa. The total spending of Puan City for Hari Raya meal is 196 ringgit. Puan City needs to know the price of each chicken, mackerel and meat so that she can set her budget every time she wants to buy groceries to make sure that she will not overspend. When we are facing the pandemic COVID-19, Puan City and her husband plan to donate some groceries to those in need. Before that, she needs to know the limit of each item that she can buy to prevent her from spending more than she can afford. The budget that has been set by Puan City for these 3 items is 1,000 ringgit. If Puan City decided to donate 20 kg of chicken and 20 kg of mackerel, how much meat that she can donate to make sure that she achieves her goals?
Next is methodology part. We divide into 2 problems. Problem 1 to determine price for 3 items, which is represented by X, Y, and Z. X is chicken's price, Y is mackerel's price, and Z is meat's price. We represent the problem statement by linear equation. X plus 3y plus 2z equal to 96. 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 66. And 4x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 196. Since it is square matrix, we will use determine rule by using cofactor expansion. So, first we need to find determinant of A, and by using rule 2, we solve this matrix and then we get negative 5. Since it is not equal to 0, we can use Cramer's rule. To find x, we must to find the determinant of a1 to divide by determinant of a. To find determinant of a1, replace the first column with the constant value, which is referred to 96, 66 and 196, and other column is remain same. Then solve using row 1. We get negative 40, so x equal to 8. Next is solution for y. We use determinant of a2 and replace second column with the constant value, which is 96, 66 and 196, and then solve by using row 2. We get negative 60. So to get y, we divide determinant of a2 with determinant of e, and then we get 12. Last, for problem 1 is solution for z. To find z by the same step, but we use determinant of e3 and replace third column with constant value, which is 96, 66 and 196, and then solve by using row 1. We get negative 130. So z is equal to 26. As a result, chicken price is 8 ringgit, mackerel's price is 12 ringgit, and meat's price is 26 ringgit. Next part is to solve problem 2. We substitute value of x, y and z that we get from solution of problem 1. Then we get value of k, which is approximately equal to 23 kg.
As mentioned in problem statement 1, Puan Siti had to know the price of every item she had purchased from the grocery store. It is due to the way she spends every month, so she could prevent overspending. The first step in the calculation is to constitute the value of x to be chicken's price, y as the mackerel price, and z meat's price. After that, create it as a statement of linear equation in order to make an augmented matrix before solving it using Cramer's rule. And then, use cofactor expansion to get the determinant of a. And lastly, utilize the attach adjoint method to retrieve the values of x, y, and z. By using Cramer's rule, price of each item are identified. Problem statement 2. According to the problem statement 1, the values of x, y, and z have been identified. Replace it with k as a scalar to discover how much meat it required, and then transform it into an equation of 20x plus 20y plus kz equal to 1000. And then, lastly, we got the variable k, which is approximate value from k equal to 23.08 kg to k approximate to 23 kg. And then we got the total amount of meat that can be donated is 23 kg together with 20 kg of chicken and 20 kg of mackerel. Lastly, the total price is 998, which is sufficient for the 1000 budget. Due to the minor problem occur, which is how much spending that Puan Siti spent for her groceries within the 3 months, Puan Siti has known the price for each item that she used to buy, and she already knows the exact price for each item, and it will make easier for her to state her budget monthly. Next, in order to achieve Puan Siti's goal, which is donate for those in need, she can buy 23 kg of meat if she decides to donate 20 kg of chicken and 20 kg of mackerel. This has shown that she was able to achieve her goal.
In conclusion, this case study shows that each price for the 3 items were calculated. Based on the result, the budget could be determined for each month to buy the 3 items as well as the total amount of meat that can be donated with the budget prepared. Thus, the expenses for these items will not overspend as the price for each item has been determined. This also shows that linear algebra can be applied in daily life in order to determine daily expenditure. We have reached to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.